Are you troubled of photo mode missing on TikTok and looking what to do to access it? In this video guide, you will learn the possible ways to fix the problem of photo mode on TikTok and how to use it. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check device compatibility. Your phone should be compatible with photo mode, otherwise you will miss it. Remember, to access this feature, your device should have at least 2 GB RAM and should be running on Android 8.0 and above. Method 2. Change your region settings. Photo mode is not available in all regions due to some legal or regulatory causes. So if this is the case, you will not be able to get photo mode. So you should check your region before you go for other solution. Method 3. Use another account and again return back to main account. Follow the steps. First, launch TikTok on the phone and open profile. Now, click on username, switch to another account. Click on the plus icon and then try to use photo mode by selecting a few pictures and posting them as private. After that, force stop the app and again open it. Then, return to your main account. Now, try to use photo mode. Method 4. Update TikTok app. Follow the steps. First, open the Google Play Store and search TikTok app. Now, check if there is any update available. Finally, tap on Update option. Method 5. Add new account and get back to main account. Steps to follow. First, launch the TikTok app and click on Profile. Now, click on Username, choose Add Account, create a new account. Next, tap on plus icon and try to use photo mode. Method 6. Reinstall TikTok app. Follow the steps. First, click and hold the TikTok app from the home screen. Now, choose the Remove App option. After that, open the Google Play Store and search for the TikTok app. Then, tap on the Install option. Method 7. Take help from TikTok support. Here's what to do. First, launch TikTok app on your phone. Now, click on the profile icon. Here, click on 3 dots, choose Report a Problem. Finally, click on the Send Report option.